Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to upload a product to your Shopify store. I have created a test store just to show you exactly how to do it. So this is probably one of the most frequently asked questions I get from my website clients. After I build their websites, they always want to know, okay, if I need to add more products, how do I do it? So I'm just going to show you really quick how you upload a product to your store. So when you're in your Shopify admin, on the left-hand side, you're going to see products and you're going to click on products. And if you don't have any products uploaded yet, it's going to look like this. If you do already have products, I believe that in the top right-hand corner, there would be a button that says add product. But nonetheless, you're going to click add product. And then this is where you're going to pretty much do everything for your product. It's all from this page. So let's say, for example, that I'm just going to choose a test product just for the sake of this video. So I'm just going to click add file, and it's going to pull up some recents. So I'm going to add this bleached sweatshirt. I'm just going to use this as the example. So this is the photo. This is just an example photo just for the sake of the video, but nonetheless, this is where you add all of your product photos. So the stuff that you want your customers to see on your website, the photos, you would all add under media. And then up here, this is where you're going to list the title. So we could just put Wolfpack Bleach Sweatshirt. That's the title. This is where you talk about how great your product is. And this is where, if you want to list out any details that are needed to know, this is the description that they are going to see on the website. You're going to scroll down, and this is where you're going to do pricing. So let's say I want to charge $24.99 for this sweatshirt. Make sure you're charging tax. Now, you can put the cost per your item if you just want to see some margin. So let's say this cost me $5. Your customers won't see this, but just for the sake of your knowledge, if you wanted to look at margins and profits, you can add that right there. And then another question I get is if you want to put an item on sale. So if you want to put an item on sale, let's say we want to make this product on sale for $12. So the compare at price would be your full price. So it'd be $24.99, and then the sale would be like that. So that would be the sale price. And on your website, it'll show the original price versus the sale price. So as you keep scrolling, you'll see inventory. So you can put your SKU numbers, any barcode numbers there. You always want to track your quantity. Shopify will automatically track your quantity for you as long as this box is checked. And then if you do want to continue selling when out of stock, you would select this. If not, then you would just leave this box unchecked. And once you run out of the quantity, your store will show that your product is sold out. So people won't be able to keep buying it. Okay, so this is how much is available. So let's say I've got 12 of these shirts. So that means 12 of them are in stock. So it will only track up to 12. And then once all 12 are sold, it will say the item has been sold out. Now, if this is a physical product that you're going to be shipping, you want to check this box. If it's not a physical product, let's say it's like a digital download or just anything else that you're selling, maybe like a service, but it's not a physical product that's going to be shipped, you would just uncheck this. That way customers won't be able to, put in shipping or have to pay for shipping as well. So this is a really big part that I get a lot of questions about. So for the sake of this product, because it is a sweatshirt, we're going to click that it is a physical product. Now, a couple of things to note here. So I also get a lot of questions about how to set up the shipping rates. So if you want to set up shipping rates that are based upon the carrier rates, meaning you want your shipping to be accurate with whatever the post office or UPS is charging based upon your customer's address and the weight of the package, then this section is extremely important. So you need to know how much your product weighs and make sure that you input that accurately. I usually just leave this stuff blank. because typically a lot of my clients are not selling internationally. And now this is a major section as well. So if you have multiple options, which we do for this product, we're going to select this box and it's going to pull up some different options. So for example, size. So because we're selling a sweatshirt, we obviously offer multiple sizes. So the first one is going to be size, and then when it says option values, this is where you're going to input the size. So for the sake of this product, let's just do small, medium, large. Done. So when people go onto the website and they want to buy this bleached sweatshirt, they will have the option to pick from small, medium, and large. You can also change the prices of each size. Like if you wanted to sell the large for $14, maybe it costs more to ship the large, things of that nature. You can adjust the size, or I'm sorry, you can adjust the price per size. But then also this is a cool part to note too. So let's say you only have 2 smalls, you have 4 mediums, and you have 5 larges. This is how Shopify tracks how many of each size you have. So again, once the quantity hits 0, like for example, if 2 people buy these smalls, no one else would be able to buy a small. It would show that the small is sold out. And if you scroll over, that's that. And then you can click edit to edit the different variations as well. And now this is the SEO. So this is where if you want your product to show up on Google, you would optimize the SEO in this section. Okay, and now last but not least, another thing that I always get asked is people say, oh, like, I added my product, but it's not showing up on my website. So the status, you have to make sure that the status says active and then you click save. If it's just a draft, then you'll be able to see it on the back end of your website, but it will not show up on your store. So make sure that you just always select active if you're ready for it to be active. Now, a couple of things to note on the right-hand side. So for example, tags are a big one. So tags are like if people go onto your website and they click in the search bar, they search, blue sweatshirt. You want this to pop up. So anything that someone searches on your website, if you want the word to pop up this product, you would put that there. So we would do, for example, blue hoodie, blue sweatshirt, bleached hoodie, so on and so forth. And that's what they would look like. And if you ever type something wrong or you want to take it off, you just click X and it will remove them. So just leave the online store theme template as default product. In a later video, I will show you when it's necessary to change the template. It involves coding. So for the most part, most of your products should just be the default product template. And then in another video, I will also explain more about collections. So that's in a nutshell how you add a product to your Shopify website, and hope you found this valuable. Super easy, super simple. And my biggest piece of advice is to just always click save.